Have you ever seen Vivekananda Setu at 3 a.m.? The city disappears. No traffic, no rush, just a silent bridge, glowing lights, and the timeless Ganga below. Tonight's drive takes us across one of Kolkata's historic river crossings, Vivekananda Setu, popularly known as the Bali Bridge. It's around 3 in the morning, and the city is almost completely asleep. During the day, this bridge carries a steady flow of traffic between Bali on one side and Dakshineswar on the other. But at this hour, the entire atmosphere feels different. The road ahead is almost empty. The warm yellow lights stretching across the bridge create a calm and peaceful mood. Driving here at night feels almost cinematic, quiet, slow, and strangely beautiful. Tonight, we're also passing through one of the special side lanes of the bridge, a route usually reserved for VIP entry and exit. Experiences like this are rare. What makes this crossing even more unique is that right beside this road bridge runs the railway bridge as well, carrying trains across the Ganga. Two lifelines of the city, road and rail, moving side by side over the same river. One side of the river connects to Bali, while the other side leads towards Dakshineswar and the Dakshineswar railway station. And as we reach the other end of the bridge, we continue driving towards Dakshineswar, leaving the Bali side behind. Below us, the timeless Ganga flows silently, just as it has for centuries. Sometimes, when the city sleeps, places like this reveal a completely different side of their beauty. On our left is the entry road to Dakshineswar Temple, along with the skywalk footbridge connecting visitors directly from the railway station and bus stand to the temple gate. And just like that, our peaceful drive across Vivekananda Setu comes to an end. Thank you for driving along. Stay connected with RT Dashcam. I'll see you in the next journey.